Hello guys, so in today's video we'll be talking about the unboxing and the setting up of this 3-axis smartphone stabilizer by the company AOCHUAN. So this is the box of my 3-axis smartphone stabilizer, the Gimbal, from the AOCHUAN company. So let's go to the content inside the box itself. It says masters live, always live. Yeah, AOCHUAN always live. Oh wow, big machine. So let's start with this. I think this is the tripod for your stabilizer, and it comes with the charger, also the Type-C charger, and the gimbal itself. And it also comes with the manual. So before anything guys, let's make sure we charge this stabilizer and the battery is full. Our gimbal is fully charged now. So let's do this first. Let's couple this tripod to give us a more convenient handle. So it's actually looking cool now. So before we put this gimbal on, I want us to scan the QR code. So I'll be connecting this gimbal to my the new iPhone 16 Pro. Let's see if it works with the new iPhone 16 Pro. So what I'm gonna do now is go to my camera and scan the QR code. Even if you are using Android, it goes with it also. Can you see it brought me here the AOCHUAN gimbal? So I'm using an iPhone, so I'll click App Store. Even if you are using Android, can you see Android download or Google Play? Google Play download, anyone. So because I'm using an iPhone, I'm gonna click the App Store download. So it takes me to the App Store, then I download. Now guys, I have the app on my phone, so we need to click open, allow. So you connect the app with the Bluetooth. So let me just go to the videos or something. So can you see it's scanning? As it's scanning, now I need to put on my gimbal. So before I put on the gimbal guys, you need to open it, stretch it out in the shape of 7. Then when you want to hang your phone, can you see this has 2 points? So make sure this point is at the top. So you hang your phone in the middle. Make sure it's 50-50. So let's put it up. Then you hold down the power button for the gimbal to come up. Can you see the magic? So now I'm trying to connect my phone to the gimbal now. Can you see Smart XE? Then I'm going to click on the Smart XE. Yo guys, yes, we are in. Now that I've connected my phone to the gimbal, let's check out some of the features that the gimbal possesses. So the first one is the power on button. So this other one that has a red dot in it is for you to switch between the landscape and the portrait mode. Let's see how it goes. If you double click it, then can you see guys, it's to switch between the landscape and the portrait mode. You double click again, it goes back. Wow, this gimbal is powerful guys. It's actually nice. So this gimbal has the ability to follow you, to track you where you go, where you are recording. It has the face tracking, the body tracking, the object tracking, and so on. This gimbal also have the hand gesture. So when you download the app, open the app, you see everything you need to know in the app. So it has the hand gesture. Can you see the fist gesture, the palm gesture, the OK gesture. It has everything you need to know: the photo, the video, slow-mo, long exposure, trajectory delay, and also some moves that you can actually use in your video. So can you see? To shoot your cinematic videos, your vlog, I would highly recommend this AOCHUAN 3-axis smartphone stabilizer. It's actually good, guys. Very, very good. So this button, that is the focus button, to switch between the focus. So let's see, guys. So the autofocus button now, when I move it, just notice the focus on the Smart XC carton. So I'm trying to rotate. Can you see, guys? So let me bring the button back, guys. Can you see how it comes back? So it comes back to the Smart XC. So one of the key features of this gimbal also, guys, it has the joystick. The joystick has so many functions. It's to switch between the F mode to the POV mode and to the DM mode. So when you click once, it switches to the POV mode. You click once again, it switches back to the F mode. When you triple click, it goes to the auto rotate mode. Can you see, guys? Auto rotate. This is actually nice. This gimbal is actually nice. The auto rotate mode. Then when you click again, just click once to go back to the POV. You click once again, go back to the F mode. So guys, there's one thing about the joystick also. You can use it to control the movement of the phone, of the gimbal. So when you just control the joystick, can you see? Can you see? Each direction controls the joystick. Just any direction you want the joystick to go, any direction you click the joystick to go, then the phone moves there. Can you see? This is nice. Also, so guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. So if you are looking to get a gimbal that is pocket friendly, that is smart, that can go with you wherever you go, I'm going to recommend this AOCHUAN 3-axis smartphone stabilizer. It's actually pocket friendly. It's not actually expensive. It's something your budget can do for you. So if you want to shoot some cinematic videos, vlogs, you want some cinematic moves in your video, please, I would recommend you get this AOCHUAN gimbal. It is actually good and it has some features. So if you like this video, guys, and if you want more educational videos like this, click like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on post notification for more exciting videos. Peace out.